Hi guys, it's Ryan here from the Private Banking Forum. Just trading the ES today. Just long from the developing value area low. Did look at the crew today, and I just couldn't really get a good bearing or understanding on this. I did think to try buy below yesterday's low of day, but I just got going on the ES, so I just decided just to trade this today. Just going to quickly explain what I've been seeing, what I saw off of the trade I got involved in. Just looking at yesterday's distribution low here, and this was the trade location for me. Just going to explain some more, if you give me a moment. So basically, I got in a little bit earlier on this, at the developing value area low. I didn't get in on the first period, I got in on B period at 10 o'clock, and just because I wanted to see what this market was trying to do, because obviously we were at the 1700, big round number on the S&P, so just was just waiting to see how this market was reacting. The overnight was very balanced, and we're still very balanced, as you can see. We've just very sideways balanced ranged in this upper distribution from yesterday. So the idea on this trade was obviously to get low off the get long off the developing value area low, and with a stop below yesterday's distribution area low. So obviously, if we're wrong, then this market would have traded into yesterday's low of day and below yesterday's low of day. But I mean, we've been finding buyers coming in, so I managed to get my first two scale outs on the first rotation. The market came right back down to my entry, and I added to a full size position here again, and I got scaled out again, 2 points, or 1 point and 2 points, and I'm just managing my core position now. At the moment, I'm just targeting just seeing what we can get done here. I mean, if we see this rally into the close, then who knows where this could go. But I mean, I think 1705 is my sort of target area for the moment. I mean, we're just very balanced and very rotational at the minute, and but we are slowly starting to grind higher and find buyers. Just going to quickly show you a couple other things I've been looking at. So at 10 o'clock, you can see here that where I got long, there was some absorption and some buyers stepping in. There was quite a lot of buyers stepping in here, and we see the market react and push higher, and we see rotations up to Vwap and the developing value area high. We need to see this market, some sellers sort of responding, and we see a rotation back down to my entry, and again there was a big passive seller buyer at 97.5, and I ended up adding full size to my position again here, and you can clearly see here, as the market tried to auction out of today's developing value area low, there was clear buying at the lows. I mean, this wasn't even resting limit orders. This was just people coming in hitting the bid, and we ended up seeing this market react and a push higher again, and managed to get my another two scale outs. So I'm just managing my core position again here. Just seeing where this is going to go. Just one more thing I'm going to quickly show you, or two things quickly, is this week's developing value, and as you can see, we've just been rejecting this week's developing value this morning, and so we can see buyers absorbing the highs, developing value area high, and so we should see a rotation back up and a new high pushed here if we don't find support at this 1.5 standard deviation VWAP. So just something to keep an eye on here is, obviously we don't want to see this market get pushed back into this week's value, into the close on Friday. And just one more thing here is, this is a composite I've been tracking on the ES, and this was the distribution that we've been balancing in, and you can see the sort of too many distributions at the bottom. Wasn't very interested in these prices. The main price attraction was in this upper distribution, and we've clearly now broke up above this this lower distribution or middle distribution, and we're seeing a balancing sort of stage participate at the moment. So I mean, we've got a clear low volume node here, and and this is where my stop is currently at 95.50, just in this low volume node area. So just still battling with this 1700 big round number area, so just be interesting to see what happens here going into the close, if we find balance and some sellers to push down, or if we find some buyers to rally this into the close. So anyway, I'll keep posted on how this trade develops into the close. I mean, it's currently 12:30 Eastern time, and it is 5:30 here in the afternoon in London. So obviously it's Friday night and I have things to do today, so I might not be sitting here till the S&P close, which is about 9:30 UK time. So just going to see how much patience I have on this, and obviously how this works out, so I'll keep you posted. Okay, finally we broke above the initial balance. As you can see, we held the initial balance highest for sort of 5 periods, creating this sort of false floor above us, and finally starting to see some buyers stepping in here. I mean, we see some pretty large volume coming in at the 1700. I mean, there was 13,000 contracts traded at the bid here, and 12,000 contracts traded at the ask. So sorry, there's 14,000 traded at the offer and 12 at the bid. But you can see this market has become pretty out balanced here, and we've seen buyers push out the developing value area high. So let's see how this market responds here, and see if we can get an expansion out the initial balance now. Keep you posted. Okay, still long the S&P 500 mini contracts. We've auctioned above today's developing value now, and this market is currently out of balance, and we are starting to sort of one time frame higher on the TPOs. So next stop is obviously yesterday's high of day at 1703.75, and just going to see where this market tries to go now. I mean, we've got a nice sort of cluster of volume below us now, so if we can't trade below these big prints, then we should see this market try auction higher, and it's pretty slow at the minute, and just keeping an eye on everything. So yeah, keep you posted. Okay, well, it's currently going into 3 o'clock Eastern time now, so about another hour and 15, well, an hour to the close pretty much, and just seeing this market is still rejecting today's developing value, so it will be interesting to see where this will go into the close. I'm just trying to hang about to see if we can see a move or not, so keep you posted. Okay, I just think I'm gonna call it a day here, guys. Seeing just some absorption up here, so I'm just gonna. It's getting late here, so I just want to get out this trade now and just call it a day. It's going to target this upper sort of area. Just going to try and get my contract filled. 107.02. Just call it a day. Keep you posted. Okay, still sitting here trying to get my target filled at 102. 1702, sorry. So just waiting. You can see it's right at the top of yesterday's sort of distribution high, so I mean, we could see this run up higher into the close, but I'm just going to call it a day. Anyways, if this doesn't get filled, I'm just going to close it. So hope you enjoyed this video, and catch you all next week. Take care, bye.